Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to show you how to remove the chuck from a Ryobi drill. This Ryobi drill happens to be model P250. It's a pretty old model. You can see from this serial number that it's really old. And usually that's around when's time you're going to be needing to change the chuck. This chuck doesn't really need to be changed. We're just going to show you how to do it. Okay, so first, the inside here is a screw. See it in there? That screw has a left-hand thread. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it like we're tightening it, but it's really going to loosen it. So here's what we're going to do. Get in there. All right. See it? Feel it turning? See? It's coming loose. There we go. So your screw really shouldn't be that tight unless somebody previously had tried to loosen it and they didn't know it was a left-handed thread, right? So what happens is they try to loosen it, but they're really tightening it, and then they give up. You buy it at the flea market and you can't get it off because they tightened it, over tightened it. So we're just going to keep going here, get the screw out. Almost there, almost there. I think we might have it now. Maybe not. Almost. Oh, there it goes. There it goes into Neverland. We found it. It's right here. Okay, so you can see this is a left-handed thread. It's not normal, see? So to tighten this thread, you turn it this way. To loosen it, you turn it this way. That is what a left-handed thread is. Okay, so now the next step, we're going to need a big long Allen key. Thickest one you got. Hopefully you got a nice thick one you could use. Preferably it has a long Allen key, see? So this Allen key, I don't know how long this is. This is probably 5 inches. Alright, so what we're going to do is chuck this Allen key in here. We're going to chuck it in our chuck, like so. Right? Make sure you hit 3 sides. Right? Now this is a 2-speed, so we're going to put it on drill so we don't break the clutch, and we're going to put it on reverse. Now the thread that this is on is a normal thread. Okay, so that means we're going to just loosen this the way it goes. So let's see if we could loosen it like this. Oh yeah, see, we didn't even have to hit that one with a hammer. It just came loose. See that? Now the reason it came loose is because this chuck is one of those locking chucks. So when you try to turn it, it locks. Okay, so now we got it off. Got it off, see? That was just a regular thread. Okay. Okay. Got it off. Now if we had a new chuck, we'd put that on. I have another chuck here somewhere. Not sure exactly where it is. There it is. See, now this is a little short one. It should still work. I'm not sure that there's much difference to it, but we're going to put it on there anyway. So we screw this on like so. So now if you have a 1/2 inch chuck, you can only replace it with a 1/2 inch chuck. If you have a 3/8 drill, you can't put a 1/2 inch chuck on it. It doesn't work. There's a different thread for the so what you could do is just do this, do like this, right? Turn it in. Okay. Then you just want to tighten it up. You don't have to over tighten it. The screw's going to hold it in. So we're just going to do like this, tighten it up. Make it tight like that, right? Now we gotta just put our screw back in. Okay, put your screw in, get it started. Now remember, this is a left-handed thread, so this is not going to tighten it. This is not going to tighten it. We're going to turn it backwards like this, tighten it. Now this one, you'll want to tighten it up pretty good. You know, you don't have to over tighten it. You want to be able to get it off next time. Because a lot of times, you know, these chucks get stuck with dirt and stuff. And you really just need to tighten it up. You know, make sure you get it all the way to the bottom. Like that. Oh, still not there. Let's see, this has some Loctite on it. Might have some in it. So I'm going to get it. Okay. There we go. Now we're all set. See that? New chuck on there. Even though it has a little space there because it's smaller than the old chuck. But it still works. It's still a, what do you call it? Keyless chuck, they call it. See, keyless chuck. And how that works is the gearing in here helps it to not be able to turn when you're trying to tighten the chuck. It's pretty interesting how it works. Maybe one day I'll break one of these open and show it to you. But for now, that's how you get the chuck. That's how you change the chuck on a Ryobi drill. This is model P250, but I'm sure it could apply to many models of Ryobi 1/2 inch drills. This one is not a hammer drill, but it is a nice 1/2 inch drill. Everything should still work normal, even if the chuck is a little different. You know, that's not a problem. So, any questions, you know, kindly leave them down the bottom for me, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. You know, other than that, if you can, subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Remember, comment, like, subscribe. Always subscribe to my channel. Always give me comments. I love answering your comments. Don't be a stranger. You know, if you need help with something, ask a question. I'll answer it. It's not a problem. I'm going to be doing more like this, more videos like this. You know, this is my, this is what I do. I fix these kind of tools every day, all day. And any questions, let me know. And guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you.